Every year, almost 5 metric tons of carbon dioxide are released into the Earth's atmosphere. Now, the world's top climate experts warn that in order to avoid increasing global temperatures, carbon emissions need to be reduced by at least 25% by the year 2020. Montreal-based urban planner Donnie Seto is skeptical. In order to reach that goal, Quebec alone would have to make strict annual reductions.
It means that we have to reduce our emissions by, if we start reducing emissions now, maybe 3% emissions per year. If we start reducing in 2015, 2016, we're looking at 6-7% reductions because there's going to be exponential growth up until then.
43% of Quebec's carbon emissions come from the transport sector. The everyday citizen can do their part by using alternative modes of transportation, such as public transport, carpooling, and riding your bike.
The best way to do that, from a citizen's point of view, is to understand your carbon emissions. Think about what are the behavioral elements and the things that you would want to see happen within your neighborhood.
But Green Party leader Alex Terrell says that individual citizens can only do so much. He suggests even more drastic measures.
In Quebec and in Montreal, there's a lot of wasted energy, and the position of the Green Party of Quebec is that we want to reduce energy consumption. And I think the most realistic incentive is public transit for everybody free. With a problem as large as climate change, it's not one individual person doing the recycling or doing everything that they can on an individual level that's going to make a difference.
With municipal elections coming up, Terrell believes it is possible to reach Quebec's goals, and the youth vote could make all the difference.
Young people tend to see environmental issues with a larger degree of urgency than a lot of older people.
Quebec's goals might seem unrealistic to some, but environmentalists and politicians alike see the potential in raising youth awareness. Municipal elections will be held on November 3rd. For Concordia News, this is Jordy Yeager.